Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing 12-13 Rookie Anthology. It's break number 31. The last team sold was Winnipeg Jets. Just like that, it sold at 1913. And we've also got a bit of eBay time here. Let's refresh that. So your eBay time, 16:59 Pacific, 19:59 Eastern, and 20:59 Nova Scotia time. Excuse me. Okay, we'll get right to our list. I want to thank everyone who took part in the break, bought their teams. It's appreciated. So welcome to all the regulars that are around most every night. And we want to welcome the new people also. One thing that I want to reiterate is please do not pay by e-check. E-checks take way too long to clear, and you don't get the link, and it's just no good for anybody. So if you can, pay for PayPal. That's generally the only thing I accept, unless it's pre-approved. So anyway, there we are, break number 31, and it's serial number 190605309. There's the box, 190605309. All intact up until now. So, there's the prism, and our 10 packs, empty box. 10 packs, we'll mix them a little bit. Okay, let's get right at it. First pack. Good luck, everyone. And we start off with the Dallas Stars and St. Muir with Ryan Garbett, Elite Rookie, 496 out of 999. Just in intermission of the hockey game here, so hopefully I'll get this done and wait till the next one to do the next break. For the home team 5, Dustin Byfuglien for Winnipeg, game worn gear. Towering Defenders, my bad. Towering Defenders, Dustin Byfuglien, home team 5. And we've got Contenders, Legacies, Johnny Bower for the Toronto Maple Leafs. That is number 375 out of 999. And that's for Toronto. Toronto is My Soul Defense 13. Congratulations and welcome. There's a nice thick one to get things going here. For the Philadelphia Flyers and Labradog 2013, we've got Claude Giroux, Intensity. That is numbered 349 out of 500. Congratulations, Labradog. And for the Dallas Stars, St. Muir, we got Riley Smith. He's now a Bruin, and he's doing damn good. I say he done damn good on this card. Rookie Silhouette. Prime, 11 out of 99. Nice card. Congratulations. Gotta say, he looks better in a Bruins uniform though. That's a matter of opinion, I guess. And for the Philadelphia Flyers again in Labradog 2013, we got Vezina contenders, Ilya Briskalov, and that is numbered 363, I believe that is, out of 999. Close enough, anyway. This is our base pack, I believe. It is. 4 to go. And we've got a game-worn gear. Well, first off, we got, for the Coyotes, we got Michael Stone, Sportsnut 11 CA, Elite Rookies, and that's numbered 281 out of 999. And that's the Coyotes. And for AH Tram 8, we've got Brendan Shanahan, game-worn gear for Detroit. There's the Doler odor of the penalties. Oh, let's leave that one. That's good and thick. Something nice. And for the Rangers and Aeronom 2, Rick Nash contenders, Cup contenders, and that's 811 out of 999 for New York. Congratulations, Matt. 2 packs to go. For Milkman 92, we've got Andre Kostitsyn for the Predators, game-worn gear. Last pack, good thick one. And I'd say, for Le Canadien, who are leading the hockey game 2-1, by the way. Not for long, though. Gabriel Dumont. Rookie Treasures. 392 out of 699. Congratulations to Aaron Om, too. Wow, it's not always you get Montreal there, Aaron Om. I guess the price must have been right on it. You have a few teams tonight. That's great. Appreciate it. And our Prism for Tirana. We got My Soul Defense 13. Phil Kessel. And for Ditz 3, Washington Capitals, we got Alex Ovechkin, red Prism. And that is numbered 30 out of 50. Congratulations. And for the New York Islanders, it's Steve Goss. Jose. Steve, you got Matt Donovan, rookie card. And that's all she wrote. We'll just go through and have a quick boo at the backs. Dallas, Winnipeg, Toronto, Philadelphia, Dallas, we'll show that one, Philadelphia, Phoenix, Detroit, New York, Nashville, Montreal, Toronto, Winnipeg, and New York Islanders. So there you have it. Don't have anything up yet for Sunday night, but I'm hoping to get a couple boxes up there anyway. So hopefully we'll see you then. Until then, have a good night and happy bidding.